That's another goose right there. We're gonna try and get some better footage of it.
We're gonna try our best, people.
It's currently on a muskrat. A muskrat den. It took over the muskrat den and is now making its nest on it. You can see it good now. It is laying its eggs, either that or warming him. But I mean, you can see the mother goose right there, and
I'm surprised it isn't even hissing or anything.
yeah, we're actually as close as we can get to it without going into the middle of the pond, and it's not coming to attack us, and surprisingly, it just keeps looking at us. I think it's trying to observe us, but right now it is doing that, and I can't wait until it has little gooselings or offspring or whatever you want to call them, and it will be really cool.
We'll get some videos of the gooselings.
Yeah, we'll get some little footage of the little baby geese, but they normally have like 5 to 6 babies, which is a lot. I don't see the dad around. I think he's out hunting out in the woods. So yeah, there's the mother goose for you, and I hope you enjoyed. But soon enough, we'll have footage of the geese, so the baby geese. So check in every once in a while, because I think it won't be too long until they're there. Okay? See you later. Check back in a few months or whatever to see how I'll be doing updates every weekend for you guys. I know today's not a weekend, but starting next weekend I'll have it, and if it's not crummy or crappy, I'll be out here filming this mother goose on the weekends every day. But yeah, so every weekend there will be new footage and updates about the geese. I'm going to have my cousin say a few words.
Also, the geese might just be laying there because it wants like a nice bed.
Well, I don't think so. It's
water.
Well, I don't think so. It's always been there. It's been here for months, and it's just been sitting here.
And that used to be a nice dam.
Yeah, it was a muskrat, and the stupid goose took it. But actually, I'm sort of excited to see the little geeselings.
Yeah, me too.
So remember, check in. So check in every weekend for new footage on the geese. I'll have them uploaded every weekend. I'll have new episodes on Sunday, and I'll have episodes on Sunday and Saturday for you guys, if it's not crappy here where I am in New York. So have a good day as always. Bye.